Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG's 44.5-inch OLED gaming display. So friend, LG has announced that it will launch two new LG Ultra Gear gaming liquid crystal display series models, the 45GR95QE-B and the 27GR95QE-B, and friend, it is marketed by mid-March 2023. So friend, the 45GR95QE-B features 44.5-inch 21:9 ultra-wide gaming display with an 800R curve panel announced in November 2022, and it boasts a maximum refresh rate of 240Hz, a response speed of 0.03 milliseconds GTG, and a contrast ratio of 15 lakh Gem 1. And friend, 27GR95QEB on the other hand, it is a 27-inch WQHD gaming organic EL display with a maximum refresh rate of 240Hz, response speed of 0.03 millisecond, contrast ratio of 15 lakh Gem 1. And friend, both models deliver a fast and smooth gaming experience with stunning visual quality. And friend, the estimated market price of 45GR95QEB is €2150, and friend, the 27GR95QEB is €1150. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.